Okay, so here we are at the city at 30 and Gettysberg here. We just cleaned out all the roots. So you can see some of that splatter there on the top of the 6-inch clay. Quite a few roots in here. You can see we got all of them out. Sewer is 67 feet long. Didn't see any damage in the clay or the cast iron while we were cleaning. Slightly low through here for about 15 feet, less than that, 10 feet, just after the 4x6 here. So that's where it transitions to 4-inch cast iron out from the city. So yeah, no damage. There's some roots in this cast iron too. There they are. And so yeah, everything looks up to par in this sewer.